Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and tips. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below for your convenience. This review reflects my personal experience with the service. In this iiNet internet provider review, we're diving into my usage experience with iiNet, a prominent internet provider in Australia. You can find direct links to their various plans and special offers down in the description for easy access. iiNet offers a diverse range of internet plans, encompassing NBN, ADSL, and mobile broadband options. This versatility makes them a suitable provider for a broad spectrum of customer needs. Their NBN plans, in particular, cater to various usage patterns, from basic web browsing at 12 Mbps all the way up to ultra-fast 1000 megabits per second connections for power users who stream 4K content, engage in online gaming, or require high-speed connections for work-related activities. iiNet has earned a reputation for delivering consistently reliable performance with minimal downtime. This makes them a dependable option for households and small businesses that rely on uninterrupted internet access for their daily operations. One of the key strengths of iiNet is their exceptional customer service. They provide 24/7 support via phone and online chat, and their support team is generally knowledgeable, helpful, and responsive to customer inquiries. While some competitors might offer slightly faster speeds in certain areas, iiNet's commitment to customer service and positive overall user experience makes them a strong contender in the Australian internet market. Their website is also designed with user-friendliness in mind, simplifying the process of choosing a suitable plan and managing your account online. Another noteworthy aspect of iiNet is their no-lock-in contract options available on many of their plans. This provides flexibility for customers who prefer not to be tied down to long-term commitments. They also offer bundled packages that combine home phone services with internet access, a convenient option for customers who require both services. It's worth noting that iiNet's pricing might not always be the most budget-friendly, especially when compared to some of their competitors. However, their reliable service and excellent customer support can often justify the cost for those prioritizing a dependable and user-friendly internet experience. For those seeking a dependable, user-friendly internet provider with exceptional customer service, iiNet is a solid choice. They cater to a wide range of users, from casual browsers to heavy internet users, and their flexible plans make them suitable for both households and businesses. Be sure to check the product links in the description for more detailed information on iiNet's offerings and to see if their plans align with your specific needs.